Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And it's been ages, like it's been 1000 years since I last uploaded my video, and I'm here today to make 2 videos in a day, and I don't have much time, so let's get into the video. What video? First of all, the video is about I am recently obsessed with the wolf cut, that hairstyle, this one. So I wanted to get one for so long and watched some videos about it, DIY videos. So let's try it. Like, I'm very impulsive today and I really want to try that out. So let's get the pair of my scissors and let's get started and chop my hairs off. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Wait, I'm back again. Let me tell you things that you need: a comb, scissors, a hair tie, and dustbin. So now let's get into the video. So I've changed the camera settings, like camera angle, and I like this angle so that I can look at myself, because I'm not wearing my glasses and I cannot see anything. So what you need to do is, let's part our hair. Like I'm already having a middle part. What kind of video is that? A shitty video, but it's a DIY anyway, so bear with me please. So what you need to do is section your hair. This is what I saw, okay? I mean, you totally can skip my video and watch a better video, where they tell you clearly what you have to do. Okay, now I look like very ready for Halloween. Indeed, it's taking me forever, so let me just pause the video and do the section and show you guys.
7 hours later.
So I came back after making a part and need to take all this hair and tie it up here, like in a pony, and then chop it off. Like, giving it a second thought, because I don't think it's perfectly tied, it's perfectly parted, but let's now do it. Let's do it, you can do it. Fingers crossed. I hope it turns out good. Keep your dustbin ready. This is what you do, when you get impulsive and you do not have anything to do. It's not even equal to... That's why you go to a hairdresser. Let's see how it turned out. Fingers crossed. Okay. Okay, looks good. We did a great job. I'm never again going to a hairdresser. We are getting this cut every time, okay? It looks good. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Let me know what you guys think, because I think it turned out really well. Also, because I'm not wearing my glasses, I should think that it turned out really, really good. So, thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and share my video, and do tell me how do I look. And tell me if I should get a full length wolf cut. I'll do one more DIY. Like, really feeling to chop my hair off, really feeling like the DIY queen. So let me know.